First, I just want to say a disclaimer. If you can hear the washer and dryer, I'm very sorry about it. Y'all know we film in this living room. We don't have a beauty room, so you just don't have to take it. If you're new here, my name is Niara Alexis. Like the title says today, I'm gonna be doing a hot oil treatment on my hair. The oil that I'm gonna be using for my hot oil treatment today, this is the Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil infused with chebe powder. I think that's how you say it. I picked this up on Amazon, but I have seen this in Target before, so just check like where they keep the like hair stuff, like the ethnic aisle. You know what I'm talking about. I've seen this in there before. Also link this oil down below if you can't for some reason find it at your Target. Oh, it's about to get loud. I feel like it's about to, it's about to do like the spin thing at the end. The other thing that I'm gonna be using for this hot oil treatment is this little blow dryer thingamabob. So I bought this on Amazon. It's like a little dryer cap, looks like this. I'm gonna put this on my head, and then I put the blow dryer at this end to like heat it up. I don't want to heat this oil up because I'm afraid I will burn myself. To start off, I am going to wet my hair before I put this oil on. I feel like that's how like the oils will get up in there. I don't know. Somebody tell me if I'm wrong. I don't know. But I am gonna wet my hair first, put this oil on, let it like sit, penetrate, percolate for about like 15 or so minutes. As long as I can last, really, because I don't know. I might not like it. I've never liked sitting under the dryer when I used to go to the salon. Just gonna untie this. My hair is still wet and damp, and it definitely feels warm. Oh, I need to hurry. My rinse from last time I rinsed my hair is like leaking everywhere. I don't want to get it on anything. But yeah, my hair is still wet, which was the goal. I just wanted it to like be warm to like penetrate it. So now I'm gonna go wash my hair. Okay, I linked this down below. This is a shampoo I use. This is the Profusion Tresemme Fluid Smooth Shampoo. Zero sulfates, whatever, they've just put so much stuff in the bottle these days. Whatever. I like the shampoo. This is like my second time using it. I did wash my hair 3 times because that oil is super thick and I wanted to make sure I got it all out. Usually you guys know that I put oil on my scalp and on my ends the night before and it kind of soaks in or does whatever it does. But because I just put that oil on my hair, I wanted to make sure I really got it out. So I shampooed 3 times with a bunch of shampoo. This shampoo smells really, really nice. And I can't speak to whether it like makes your hair super smooth, but it does feel like it gets your hair really clean. Now I am going to condition my hair. I'm using the Way Thick Hair Conditioner. The only thing I don't like is it's so hard to squeeze it out because of this bottle. But I do like this conditioner. If anything, I told y'all this in the review, it just smells so good. So I'm gonna let my conditioner sit in for like 10 minutes or so and I'll go rinse it out. So I just rinsed my hair out. I can't really notice a difference right now, and to be honest, like at the end of this I might not really be able to tell a difference, but I'm gonna try to incorporate like these hot oil treatments in my hair more frequently, like maybe every other time I wash my hair. So maybe I'll have an update for you later on down the line, don't know. It is like beginning of March, which is crazy. I only have like a month and a half left of wearing my hair out, and then y'all know at the end of April it's going up into the braids. Going up into the braids. So if there's anything that you specifically would like to see before I put my hair up regarding like relaxed hair or like just me styling my hair like out and loose like this, please make sure you leave a comment down below letting me know what that is. All right, y'all, so this is how my hair turned out after doing the like hot oil treatment. And I'm doing air quotes because I feel like some of y'all are gonna be like, that's not really a hot oil treatment, but you know, I just did some type of treatment with oil and I heated it up, you know. Okay. But yeah, I like how my hair turned out. I was worried that it would be like a little stiff, like because of the oil, but it came out just fine. It's very touchable, very soft. I did feel like my hair was very shiny when I was blow drying it and flat ironing it. My hair is usually shiny though, but I felt like it had a little extra something. But we'll see in terms of like how it does for like the breakage, like if it really helps, like, but I think I'm gonna have to continue to do them over time. I don't think it's something that I'm gonna be able to tell like just off of one like time. Also, I noticed that like my scalp didn't get dry at all or flaky at all, and that's a really big thing for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.